This is so exciting. I just got my Canon G7X back. I have not had it in over, I don't even know, a year and a half, and I am on a wave right now. I am feeling good. I just got back from my 3rd day of serving. My main full-time job, I work as a front desk agent at a hotel, and they were needing help with serving in the restaurant in their hotel. So I just came back from that, just made $100. I am so happy. Oh my god, I am gonna have my debt paid off so fast. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say hello. I know I'm really high energy right now. I'm pretty chill in most of my other videos because I'm usually really just chill in general, especially with everything that's happened and being quarantined for 2 months. Everything has just kind of slowed down. But everything is speeding back up now and I'm working a lot. I worked like 40 hours this week, and I know that sounds like 40 hours is usually typical, but you know, for most of us who have been laid off this whole time since March, it's been definitely like an adjustment to the pace, but I'm feeling good. Garrett is gone for work for the day, and it is a beautiful sunny blue day out, and it was supposed to rain, so I thought I would jump on here, bring you guys through my day and do a little vlog. It's been so long since I've done any kind of like video like this. It's either yoga classes, guided meditations, or like little recipes, but it's been a minute since I've come on here and just like, what's up? I am extremely hungry, so I'm going to make some food, and it's gonna be dank as per usual. As per usual. I can't talk. I am hungry and high energy, and I wanted to hop the hello, and I wanted to hop on here and just give this little intro. And also, I just got this new hat for $5. Frickin' love it. So yes, come with me along my day and let's see what we get up to. Why, hello there. Fancy seeing you here, I say as I prestigiously set the camera up and I know I'm filming. Hi. Time to make ourselves a super yummy meal. It has been 6 hours and I've had a smoothie. Today I'm going to make the classic breakfast that me and Babe have literally probably every day, if not at least 5 to 6 days out of the week. And it is totally well-rounded with nutrients and vitamins, stuff for your gut health that's made from home, and I'm excited to share that with you. We eat super, super well at home, and Garrett is a chef like by trade. So he is always in the kitchen making good stuff, and I get to reap the rewards. Ta-da! And I want to share that with you guys today to inspire you to put more colors on your plate, to really get some stuff with good nutritional dense value, because a lot of the time we're eating super empty foods, we end up not feeling satisfied, and then we turn to food that's not that good for us. So today I'm going to share that with you, and let's get going. Okay, first things first, Mama's gotta pour herself a drink. But this is not any drink, my friends. This is homemade kombucha. Yes. This is apple and cinnamon. Oh my god, it is our favorite. Garrett makes kombucha all the time. We've had it on lock now for probably about like, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 months. And it has been such an amazing thing. Because if you're ever wanting a craving for a drink, but you're like, I really don't want to ingest alcohol, but I just want that like, this is the perfect go-to. Oh my god, bring me back to life. All right, let's get cooking.
Cutting up some yams, cause we love our yams. Oh yeah, do 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 do. My mind is filled with galaxies. Fry those babies up, get them nice and crispy.
As the potatoes are cooking, I wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day right now because I got this comfy new one piece and I'm absolutely in love. It was only like $30 off of Amazon. Check it out. Bump, bump, check it out. Look at these flowy legs. Oh my god. This is so comfy. 10 out of 10 recommend. I will put the link below in case you're interested. It's made out of this super soft material. It's got a cinched little waist. And usually this actually has a button to go here, but I feel way too conservative. That's not me. So, bam! Here we go. Show off the pine cone necklace. Check that out. Snazzy, huh? Isn't that so adorable? Ugh. Simplicity and comfort, that's what I'm about. Okay, let's get back in the kitchen making this food because Mama's hungry.
Dun dun dun, cutting up the mushrooms, putting them in the pan, putting a lot of spices and oil, oh shazam, oh oh. Putting some kale in there cause we're getting healthy, oh yeah, and some soy sauce too. Bam!
Would you look at that masterpiece? So you might be wondering what's going on this plate. We have got some sweet potato hash browns with some sauteed vegetables. This is 2 different kinds of onions with some purple kale. Put some soy sauce and some spices on there to spice it up. And then Garrett has made some homemade sauerkraut, which is so good. It's honestly my favorite. And he also made some pickled jalapenos and onions, which is such a nice touch. We've got some eggs, avocado, homemade mango salsa, and this is chimichurri. That chimichurri sauce is actually completely homemade from the dandelions that are in our backyard. Garrett is such a whiz when it comes to food, and I am so grateful that I live with him because I get to eat so good. That's that. I'm gonna get to eating this because your girl is hungry, and I will see you when we get up to something after this. Hello, my friends, and welcome to our humble abode, aka our bedroom. Just a reminder to always be awesome. Sitting in this glorious ray of sunlight right now. I totally was gonna go play in the backyard, but there's a beam of sun on a comfy bed and my backyard is shade right now. So I thought, what better way to spend my afternoon than to sit in the sun, see what comes. Ayo. As the sun it shines and I receive its light, I feel like I'm supercharged, I can do anything. So just a reminder when you feel in the dark to go put your face in the sun. Woo! Look at the guitar glowing right now. Oh my god. I pray for love, and I pray for change. And I know this world is upside down, and at times it feels like it's up in flames. Oh, I choose to come from a place of love, even when the roads get oh so tough. I surrender to the softness inside of me, even though sometimes it's hard and the world brings me to my knees. It brings me to my knees. But I choose to come back to love, even when the road feels quite tough. Cause really, what else are you gonna do? Are you gonna sit around all sad, all mad? No, you're gonna get up and be the badass like you are. Woo! Yeah, you got it in you. Yeah, you got it in you. Yeah, baby, you got it. You got it. You got it in you. And as I sit here and meditate with my crystals, I look up to the sky, call on my angels. I know that I have divine support, and so do you. Yes, so do you. So use it when you've got your questions, when you don't know what to do left or right. You just look to the sky, say, angels, I'm feeling kind of funky, shine me with divine light. Oh, shine me, shine on me, and give me that light, let me receive. Shine, shine, shine on me. Won't you shine, shine, shine on me? Yes, shine, shine, shine on me. Let the light shine on me, and let it shine on you too. Please excuse the rat's nest on my head, but another thing that I love to do in the sun is read. So I'm going to read this book. I'm super into nonfiction right now. Is that right? Nonfiction. Fiction is real, right? Nonfiction is not real. Okay. I'm reading this book about this girl who has these freaking epic magical powers, but also I'm not gonna like go into depth in this book, don't worry, I'm not gonna bore you. However, I think it's so cool because the basis of this book is this girl who causes a crisis in the earthly world because she goes to a different world in her dreams, which is like real, but it's like 2,000 years in the future and Earth doesn't actually exist anymore. But she's time traveling back and forth where her mission is to bring the world out of love and back into fear. So she's like causing this huge crisis and this is totally out of her control. And yeah, that's the basis. And she has to find these 5 truths in order for the world to come back into light and not just like demolish into darkness. So if any of you guys know me, or if you watched my older videos and you kind of like have an idea of who I am, you'll understand why I love this book. So I'm gonna sit here in the sun and read, and then maybe we'll go outside and go for some type of adventure. I will see you guys then as I get into this groovy book. I'm almost done and I have the second book, so I'm gonna get to doing that.
Hello. Oh, check out those blue lashes, girlfriend. I literally always see them and they're black, but it's actually blue. And now I'm like, is this what it looks like to other people? I'm having a moment.
Let's go for a run. I'm about to fall asleep. It is 7:30 in the evening and I really don't want to fall asleep yet, but if I stay reading my book in bed, then I'm gonna fall asleep. So let's go.
There's something in my sock. And there's a hole in it. Oh, geez Louise, what's happening? If any of you guys are ever feeling like sending me gifts, send me some new socks. Okay? That's seriously what I need. I need more socks. Since you guys are coming with me, I'm wearing my good old fanny pack. Hello.
There's a rainbow! Just finished my run by sitting on top of this huge gravel thingy. As you can see, it's kind of like that one. Just overlooking the valley, surrounded by open meadows. The sun is shining. So epic, you guys. God, 3 years ago when I had a feeling to move out here and I followed it, now I know why. I love Palo Santo. loving meditating with this rose quartz crystal right now. It's such a nice size that just fits right in the palm of your hand. And another thing that I've been loving incorporating is mantras in my meditations. And I've been doing that for the last month now, where I was under the impression I was doing 108 each time. This is actually like 112. Hello? Who is calling me at this ungodly hour? Hey, I'll call you back in a minute. It was my mom. It's fine. So getting back to that, I've been loving incorporating. What? I totally thought that there was 108 beads on here. I kind of thought that was typical. 108 is like totally sacred number. And if you're having no idea what I'm talking about I advise you just to do a quick Google. The number 108 has been popping up everywhere, and I think it's just telling me like, come back to your mantra, come back to your mantra. And that really helps me ground in earthly life. So what I've been doing is I will put these just between my hands, and I start here where the little fuzzy guy is, and with each bead I just say a mantra, and it is almost different every time. Depends kind of what I'm feeling. If I'm like, I'm love and light, I choose love, I choose freedom, I let go of fear, I let go of control. That's actually been my favorite lately, is choosing love and freedom instead of fear and control, because it is either one of the two. You know, I read this in the book that I'm reading, and that's why I mentioned I love the little messages in my book, because they're so applicable to life and actually resonate with me on a deep spiritual level. And that really stuck with me. It's either we choose love and freedom, or we choose fear and control. Sit with that for a second. Like, how does that make you feel when you take a second and you're like, huh? Because it really is simple, and it's one or the other. I'm not saying life is easy or things are easy, but the way that we can choose to look at things and perceive things can be simple. Ever since I've read that, it's really sat with me, and now anytime anything comes up where I'm like triggered because of something, or I'm like feeling some way and it's like negative, I come back and I'm just like, hold up, girlfriend. We're choosing love and freedom. We are letting go of fear and control. So anyways, I went on a little tangent there, but that's just a little insight into my meditation life. And then once I'm done going around the full thing, I might go around again if I'm feeling crazy, and then I will just put these around my neck while I meditate. I'll have my crystal either in my lap or in my hand, maybe on my head if I'm feeling like I need some hella downloads. Hello. And yeah, so that's been that. And I honestly have just been doing really well lately, and I'm really, really happy and grateful. And being solid in my meditation practice really just helps give me that strength to ground down and navigate through this world in a much more level-headed way, because I am a very emotional being. I can be very intense, and sometimes my emotions get the best of me. However, I notice that I have more of a hold on that when I do have meditation in my life on a consistent basis. And honestly, my meditation practices are only about like 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15. And if I'm feeling crazy, you know, if I want to party or something, maybe I go for 20. Oh Lord, you know, it's just how I'm feeling. But anyways, I am going to end today's vlog here. Bye.